In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Then hit Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings. Finally, tap on Default Apps and adjust all of those sections however you want to. In my case, Browser. Just click on the chosen one, tap on an app you wish to apply and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!